Do I just keep reeling or let it fight? Because it's...
You gotta be careful, you don't want to pull it out of its mouth, so
Okay.
if it needs to fight down, it takes some line, but you gotta hold tension on it.
Should I be holding the line with my finger like regular? Okay. Like regular fishing?
Whenever you start to bring them up towards the hole, you gotta be careful because it'll kind of freak out. And I'll try and gaff it.
Okay. I'm afraid I'm gonna lose it, it's so big. You see it? Get it, get it! Oh!
Trying to gaff it.
Ah!
Gaff is not that easy.
It's not that easy.
Can you reach it with your hand?
Wow! Nice fish, Sarah.
Wow!
I couldn't even get the gaff to work.